Hey everyone, I am glad you are here. Bonjour, bon après-midi. That means hello, good afternoon. Do you know your eyes? Do you know your eyes? Do I know my eyes? Today's video is a video to show you about eyes. The different parts of your eyes that when you are putting your eyeshadow, you can do it that way. But remember, you do stuff your way. I am just telling you the different pieces in there, that how you know the name and the term. So if you hear it somewhere, you're aware of what they are talking about or I am talking about. So today it's about eyes. Do you know your eyes? Let us see. Welcome, my name is V. If you're new here, welcome for returning subscribers and viewers. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe. Enjoy them, share them. On this channel, I like to motivate, I like to inspire, I like to empower, because when I empower you, I'm also empowering myself. When I motivate you, I'm also motivating myself. So let us stay encouraged, let us have fun with our makeup or whatever else that we do. I am telling you about your eyes and my eyes. They're hooded eyes, they're very, very hooded eyes, they're puffy eyes, they're all kinds of eyes. But one thing they all have in common is the same parts. So with that said, keep watching the video and I start now. The first section of my eyes, this is my real crease right here. But because I have hooded eyes, my crease disappears. So I usually go above here. But today, for this tutorial, I'll stay in the crease, my real crease. Open up my eyes and I put it right here. So this is the crease of the eyes. That's my crease. My crease, my crease. When my eyes are open, you can see my crease right. This is not my crease, this is extra hooded eyes, but my crease is right in here. Now the crease is done. The next one I am going to do is the brow bone. This is your brow bone right here. Your brow bone. You see that bone? My own has a lot of extra loose skin on it. But this is your brow bone. If I move this, you'll see my bone right here. If I move that, you'll see the bone. So this is your brow bone. This is your brow bone right here. So I'm going to take a bright color and put in my brow bone. So this is my brow bone right here. Brow bone. So we did crease and now this is brow bone. When I put any highlighter on my brow bone, I usually do the whole thing. But for this tutorial, I just want to show you the different parts. Again, do your makeup the way that makes you feel happy. So this is my brow bone right here. This is my brow bone right here. I zoom you in so you can see. The brow bone right here. I highlighted it. I have uneven hooded eyes, so you'll see one always look like this one looks higher than this one. This one is puffier over here and this one is less. So you see this, the crease color went all the way up here and the crease color is lower over here. This side is slanted this way. So this is the brow bone. So now we have done the crease and the brow bone. The next one we're gonna do is the lid. This is our lid right here. Our eyelid is this. I have very small eyelids. You'll see some people have big eyelid space. I have very small eyelid space. So I'm going to take another color. I'm doing all the different colors just so you can see the different parts of the eyes. So this is my lid right here. That's one lid. and the second lid. So I zoom so you can see this is my eyelid. So we have Crease, brow bone, eyelid. The next one is the outer V or the outer corner, like some people call it. This is the outer V. This is the outer V. They call it the outer corner, the outer V. So this is the outer V. I'm going to take the black. Again, everybody eye shape is different. So your outer V color will look different. Sometimes it will look bigger, sometimes it will look smaller according to your eyes. So this is my outer V right here. I am doing my outer V so you can see in black. And it is shaped like a V. So this is my outer V in black. I'm not blending anything so you can see my outer V. So this is the outer V of your eyes. So you know what it is. When you hear people say outer V or outer corner, this is what they're talking about. Outer V, outer corner is the same thing. So this is my outer V. This is my outer corner, same thing. Okay, the next one we're doing is the tear duct. The outer section right there is your tear duct or your inner corner. So tear duct right here. Inner corner, tear duct, same thing. See this right on my nose. The brush went right on my nose. Okay, so this is our tear duct, inner corner. And the next part is the lower lash line. There's a difference. My lower lash line has a lot of fine lines. So my eye pencil sometimes I have to take a little time, but this is the lower lash line right here. This right here is your lower lash line. Lower lash line right here. So this is my lower lash line. This is the lower lash line. The next thing is the waterline. Your lower lash line and your waterline is different. So in my lower lash line, I put the black. I'll go back and fix this. And in the waterline, I'm going to put this blue right here. So you can see the difference. Right in here is your waterline. This is your waterline. This practically touches your eyes. So your waterline is right here. This is my waterline. So that's my waterline. The next section I'm talking about is your upper lash line. Upper lash line is right here. Oops, went too far. This is your upper lash line. You stay as close as possible to it. I'm looking in the mirror. I have 0 contacts on, so I'm hoping I can do good with it. And this is your lash line. Lash line, I'm trying to stay close. I'm going over everything we just did so you remember the different parts of the eyes. The crease, the brow bone, the lids, the outer V or the outer corner, the tear duct or the inner corner, the lower lash line, the waterline, and the upper lash line. These are the sections of the eyes that I just did, and I use different colors so you can see the different sections of the eyes. But our eyes are all different. Create eye looks that will complement your eyes, or just to have fun, just create anything. Stay creative, have fun. But these are the sections of the eyes to create an eye look. And you know, you have your lashes and your brows. And that's it. This is today's tutorial on the different parts of your eyes. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody else who might want to know the different parts of the eyes. Life has its own way of developing. You have to be ready to develop with life. Changes will come your way that seems to be very hard and difficult. And yes, changes are hard and difficult. And the reason why some changes are so hard and difficult is because we are so fearful of anything out of the norm. Even though it's two steps outside, if you don't know where you're gonna step, you don't wanna step. Sometimes you just have to take a leap of faith and step. It is always easier said than done. But if you try it in baby steps, you will see that you can do it. You can do it. I remember one year, I went to Islands of Adventure with my husband. And they had all these rides, and I'm talking years ago, like Fire and Ice, and the Hulk had just came into the Universal Studios. And I don't do roller coasters. Roller coasters are not my friend. I will go on a roller coaster and I will puke when I get out. My stomach, my equilibrium, everything is off. But he loves roller coasters. So that year I said, okay, I will go on every roller coaster. Even if I get sick, I will still do it because I wanted to push myself. I went on Hulk, I came out, I puked. I recovered, I went on Fire. Back then they had two of them, dual, that's called Fire and Ice. I went on Fire, I came out, I puked. I recovered, I went on Ice, I did it. I puked, and then I did another one. And all afternoon, that's how it was. I was sick and everything. Now I don't go on them, but I wanted to push myself then, just to go on it and test myself, see how much I can take. And you don't have to go that extreme, but take baby steps and do the things that you think that you need to do, even though fear is paralyzing you. Do little steps. Every day do 2 steps towards it and see what you have accomplished at the end of the week. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Bye.